Hi, this video is from interview.com. Interview.com is a job portal. If you're looking for a job, you can log on to interview.com and you can post your resume with us. In this video, I'm going to talk about transition between thread states. The interviewer might be asking few questions from these points. So I'm going to share some points about thread states. First point, once a new thread is started, it will always enter the runnable state. Please don't assume that whenever you start a thread it will go to the running state. No, there is a state called runnable state or ready state here. Okay, so whenever you start a thread it goes to the ready state or runnable state. The thread scheduler can move a thread back and forth between the runnable state and the running state. So this is the thread, lot of threads. This is a thread scheduler and it has a CPU cycle, okay, from the OS, and the thread scheduler can move a thread back and forth between runnable state and running state. If you go here, so runnable state to running state, so it can keep on moving between ready state to running state. So for example, if it goes to sleep, it'll go, whenever it goes to sleep, okay, it will be moved, or based on the priority it will move from ready state to running state. So ready and runnable are same. Okay, for a typical single processor machine, only one thread can be running at a time. Although many threads may be in the runnable state, only one thread can be running state, whereas the other threads will be runnable state. There is no guarantee that the order in which threads were started determines the order in which they will run. For example, you have three threads, thread A, B, C. Say for example you have started thread A dot start, thread B dot start, thread C dot start. There is no guarantee that these thread will start in particular order, because it's up to thread scheduler and it's up to the how the virtual machine implementation has been done. Okay, there is no guarantee we can have an order. Maybe thread C can start first and thread A can start last. There is no guarantee in that. So interviewer might be asking you, is there any particular order we can do it, and if you should not design the application based on the order. There is no guarantee that threads will take turns in any fair way. It's up to the thread scheduler as determined by the particular virtual machine implementation. If you want a guarantee that your threads will take turns regardless of the underlying JVM that you're using, you can use sleep method. So only one method, sleep method, you can use, but there is a performance hit if you use a sleep method, because if you're blocking your thread for more time, then there will be a performance hit. A running thread may enter blocking waiting state by wait and sleep or join call. So from here, that's what, from running thread it can move to sleeping waiting base. Waiting means it is waiting for a notification from different objects. Sleeping means you have given some timeout, so it'll wait for the time to expire. Till then it will be sleeping, it will be like blocked. And if it is reading any document or any text file from the hard disk, and any network operation, like from the network it is trying to read some byte streams, then it will be blocked. Okay, the thread may enter a blocked or waiting state by wait and sleep. Okay, so last 2 points, when the sleep or wait is over, for example here sleep or the wait is over, you should not assume that it comes back to running. No, never. From running state it goes to sleep state, then it goes to ready. That means, boss, I have completed my sleeping timeout, I am ready to run. Okay, it goes to runnable state. It's up to the thread scheduler to make it run. Okay, so when the sleep or wait is over, or an object's lock becomes available, it was waiting for object lock and it is available, the thread can only re-enter the runnable state. Please remember, the thread can only re-enter the runnable state. A dead thread cannot be started again. Here, once the run method is completed, once the running state is completed, it becomes dead. Okay, so if you go to the thread, you will have a run method. Once the run method execution is done, it becomes dead thread. You cannot start dead thread again. The interviewer might be asking you, Can I start the thread again? No, you will be getting an illegal thread state exception. Hope this video is useful for your Java entry preparation. Thank you and all the best for your interview. If you like this video, please press the like button and subscribe button. Thank you.